Hello and welcome back, not to our property, but to our local river where I just came to see the swans. Today is the 8th of February 2026. It is roughly 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I want to show you these magnificent birds. These are the same swans that we filmed last year, and the ones that had chickens, now they are all grown up. And the three ones that you can see here are the father swan, the mother swan, and one of their chickens. The father swan, also called a cub, the young swan, also called a cygnet, and the mother swan, known as a pen. You can also see here that there are a lot of ducks on this river, and the interesting part is that they are native, so they always grew here, the ducks. But the swans are not native here. They just came around, I don't know, 3-4 years ago and never left. So they are like the main attraction of the area, along with other wildlife such as these ducks and egrets and storks. It is a pleasure. It is very relaxing to come and see them in the wild. And sometimes they are extremely funny because when they are feeding from the bottom of the river, they don't just put their head underwater, they just turn upside down with their behind out the water. I don't know if it is a good thing or not. Some people say that it is bad to feed the wildlife because you interfere with their way of living and nurturing and feeding. But I'm giving them some corn in order to come closer to the shore. And as you can see here in this video, just three of a total of seven swans that are left are coming closer to the shore. The other four are just keeping a distance. In these images, you can clearly tell which one is the cub or the father swan. Not only the river was filled with ducks and swans, but it was also an extremely beautiful sunset. From the 2 swans and 7 cygnets that we've filmed last year, only 7 swans appeared this year. So the father swan, the mother swans, and 5 chickens that grew up. The other 2, one was missing. I don't know what happened to it, and another one was dead by the river shore. So that's all for now. Have a good one.